Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from BigCommerce to PayPal for payouts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your BigCommerce account to PayPal, start by logging into your BigCommerce store. Navigate to the store setup section on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on Payments to access your payment settings. In the Payment Provider section, locate PayPal. If you haven't already, you may need to set up your PayPal account as a payment method. Follow the prompts to link your PayPal account if it isn't connected. Once linked, return to the dashboard and find the Payouts section. In the Payouts section, you will see the available funds in your account. To initiate a transfer, click on the Withdraw button. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw to PayPal. Confirm your PayPal email address is correct before proceeding. Review the transaction details for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click on Submit to process the withdrawal. Wait for a confirmation message indicating your withdrawal was successful. Monitor your PayPal account to ensure the funds arrive promptly. If you encounter any issues, consult the BigCommerce Help Center or contact their support. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from BigCommerce to PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.